Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this retractable water hose reel from the manufacturer for a review. Comes with a 1/2 inch, 82-foot water hose. So let's open it up, look at its features, see how it works. Comes with a owner's manual. This is model SCWR12A82M. Comes with a Giraffe Tools sprayer, pack of lag screws, the retractable hose reel, leader hose, looks like 4 yard stakes. Okay, let's take a closer look at this retractable water hose reel made by Giraffe Tools. It has a handle that you can lift it to the location in the yard that you need it to be located to. It sits on a base that allows the reel itself to rotate 360 degrees, and that base can be anchored to the yard itself using these yard stakes similar to tent stakes. Just drive these into the ground, or you could use these lag screws and a hard surface. It has a door that you can access to see the hose, how it's rolling up. And it comes with this 1/2 inch water hose that's 82 feet long. You just simply pull the hose out and it'll stop wherever you want it to. And then to retract the water hose, you just pull it a little bit and it will automatically roll up itself. And this guide will pivot along the cam to keep the hose from kinking up. And on the other side is where you have this sprayer holder. Just simply pops into place, and you could hang your water hose here. So let's connect the lead-in hose and sprayer and give it a try. Okay, before we put it to good use, this Giraffe Tool sprayer has a flow regulator here from low to high, and you have 9 different spray patterns. You have flat, soaker, cone, rinse, shower, vertical, angle, center, and mist. So I'm going to use this for my landscape in my front yard. So I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, for sake of pulling this reel out, I'm going to go ahead and open this window here that you can kind of see the mechanism inside as I pull it. Okay, we're going to reel it back in. I have all of it out, but maybe 10 feet or so. It's just kind of doubled up and looped. So all the way in without stop or hesitation. Didn't really roll over each other. Worked perfectly. Then on the side you have a place to hang your sprayer and hose. Overall, this retractable water hose reel worked exactly how I expected, and I highly recommend this reel from Giraffe Tools.